If important emails from a sender are going to your Gmail spam folder, don't worry, you can fix this in just a few simple steps. This usually happens when Gmail mistakenly thinks the email is unwanted, so it automatically sends it to spam instead of your inbox. First, open Gmail and go to your spam folder. Now, find the email from the sender you trust and open it. At the top, click on Report Not Spam. Once you do this, Gmail will start learning that emails from the sender are safe, and future messages will more likely go directly to your inbox. But if this doesn't fully fix the issue, there's another method you can try. Open that same email, click on the three dots in the top corner, and select Filter Messages like these. Now click on Create Filter. Here, enable the option Never Send It to Spam, then confirm by clicking Create Filter again. This will ensure emails from that specific sender are always delivered to your inbox. If you want to go one step further and block this issue for a full domain or company emails, go to Settings, click See All Settings, and then open Filters and Blocked Addresses. Now, create a new filter and enter the email address or domain. Then again, tap on Create Filter, then set it to Never Send to Spam and save as a Create Filter again. That's it. Gmail will now keep those important emails in your inbox. If this Gmail tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick how-to fixes.